So hello guys, this is Sagar Rathin back again with another video on the importance of reading the books. And in this video I'm gonna share few of the books which I have read and which I strongly recommend you people to read that in your quarantine in order to develop your intellect, in order to develop your knowledge, and in order to be a good personality, right? Because reading the books play a great role in improving your life. Because these are some self-help growth books which develop your intellect and make you a leader. वो बखूबी कहा है किसी ने कि सफलता हमेशा किताबों से होके गुजरती है. In order to become a good leader, you first need to be a good reader, right? So in this quarantine, this time is very useful. You can invest your time in reading the books. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the first book that I recommend you is the ultimate, the supreme book of all. This is Beyond book, and this book is authorized by God itself, right? Yes, I'm talking about Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This book contains all the answers to all your questions, right? There is nothing left which is, not told in this story of Bhagavad Gita. So you all must read this book twice, not once, twice. I have read this once, and this is the ultimate book. So I strongly recommend you people, every sort of age, right? Regardless of the age, occupation in which you are, you have to read this book, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And this book is available in Hindi, English, both the language. You can proceed in both as well, right? So the first book is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and the second one, which is, which I beloved this book, because this book took 25 years of research to be published, and it is written by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. This is the ultimate book, because in this book Napoleon Hill said that in order to become rich, we need to develop our thinking. It's not that the people who are successful, the people who are rich, they have a lot of resources when they started up, right? No, just because they developed that mindset, and you can develop too, right? So in this book Napoleon Hill mentions all the tricks, all the formulas that you need to, improve in yourself in order to be a successful and a rich person, right? So this book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And another book written by Dale Carnegie, one of the finest, writer of all the times. He's a great public speaker. How to Win Friends and Influence the People, written by Dale Carnegie. In this book he said that in order to excel in any of the field, corporate field, business field, educational field, any of the field, you need to have this ability to cooperate with the people, to deal with the people, to impress the people, to influence the people, right? So how you can develop this quality, this is all mentioned in this book, and this is a beautiful book written by Dale Carnegie. You all must go for it, right? And another book is a very powerful book, that is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And I have read this book. Only one thing I get from this, that if everybody criticize you, don't believe in you, but your own subconscious believes in you, your own subconscious believes in you, you will achieve miracles in this world. But if your own subconscious don't believe you, then it doesn't matter that if the whole world believes you, you won't get anywhere in your life. So it's very important to know the, importance and know the ability of your subconscious mind in order to get successful. And it's beautifully written in this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It's a beautiful book written by a doctor itself, Dr. Joseph Murphy. So you should go for that, right? And if you are an introvert, and if you think that yes, this is one of the dumbest quality which I have, so don't be panic, because in this book written by Susan Cain, quite The Power of Introverts, he mentioned in this book that the introvert who spend time with themselves, who spend time with reading books, right, except reading the books, they do many other things with themselves. They enjoy their own solitude. They have phenomenal powers, right? They can achieve everything they want. So don't get panic if you are an introvert. You must read this book, quite written by Susan Cain, and it's a beautiful poem. Yes, it's somewhere difficult to read because the words, the vocabulary is out of the level. But yes, you should read this book twice, right? And another beautiful book which I have recently read is also written by Dale Carnegie, that is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Written by Dale Carnegie. In this book he has mentioned that all the mental disorders, all the health illness that we have today in today's life, that is just because of the anxieties, of the depressions, of the worries that we take. And these are all hypothetical, they don't match with the reality, right? These are all our assumptions that we assume those worries are likely to be happen, but they don't happen, right, in the real world. So he mentioned that how to stop those worrying things and start living a phenomenal life, right? It's a beautiful, beautiful poem. Beautiful book written by Dale Carnegie. I strongly recommend to you all people. I have recently read this book, and you definitely should go for this. Another last but not the least, it's written by an Indian author, Preeti Shenoy. It's a story book, Life is What You Make It. It's a beautiful story, beautifully written story, in which there was a girl, who first indulged herself in some sort of love, then he left that person, and afterwards she faced many problems in her life. Her parents left her and everything, and there comes a stage in her life when she was totally alone, and at that time she realized that how important is there your solitude, is there your inner peace, and she realized the real meaning of life after being alone from all this world, right? After being alone from all the materialistic things. So I strongly recommend that you should go for this book, Life is What You Make It. So all of these books which I have mentioned, I know that in this lockdown time you can't purchase these books from online or offline, but you should always go for Kindle, Amazon Kindle, or you should hear the Audible books. There are many apps which you can proceed in reading these books, and believe me, if you will start reading these books, you will invest your time phenomenally, and it will do wonders for you, right? So I hope that you will go for these books and enjoy your quarantine. Don't get panicked, stay at home, stay safe. Until then, bye bye, take care. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.